Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about describing people. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me. Describing people. Old refers to someone or something that has existed for a long time or is advanced in age. My grandfather is an old man. Used to describe advanced age or something old. Stupid describes someone who lacks intelligence or makes poor decisions. It was a stupid mistake to leave the door unlocked. Used to describe an action as unwise. Thirsty describes the need or desire to drink something. I'm feeling thirsty after the long run. Used to describe a need for hydration. Fat refers to someone or something that has excessive body weight or is bulky in size. The cat is very fat and lazy. Describes excess weight or bulkiness. Thin refers to someone or something that is slim or has little body fat. She is a tall, thin woman. Used to describe a slim or slender appearance. Tall refers to someone or something that has greater than average height. He is the tallest student in the class. Used to describe height. Smart describes someone who is intelligent or quick to understand things. She is smart and always knows the answer. Describes someone's intelligence. Angry refers to someone who feels strong displeasure or annoyance. He was angry after missing the bus. Describes someone who is upset or irritated. Fine describes something as satisfactory or acceptable. Can also refer to someone feeling okay. I'm feeling fine, thanks for asking. Used to describe well-being or something satisfactory. Sad refers to someone who feels unhappy or sorrowful. The movie made me feel really sad. Describes an emotional state of unhappiness. Happy describes someone who feels joy or contentment. She was happy to see her friends. Used to describe a joyful or positive emotional state. Hungry refers to someone who has a strong desire or need for food. I'm so hungry, let's eat. Describes a need for food. Excited refers to someone who feels enthusiastic or eager about something. The kids were excited for their birthday party. Describes feelings of eagerness and enthusiasm. Ready describes someone who is prepared or in a suitable state for an activity or action. She is ready to take the test. Indicates preparation for an upcoming event or action. Young refers to someone at an early stage of life, not fully grown or mature. She is a young girl with big dreams. Used to describe age or youthfulness. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.